opening of request for quotation for goods. Here request the PWG and Internet of the feedback. So by the way, we will open only for those RFQ with at least 3 quotations that the bank has received. Any less than should not be opened. And then may I request the secretariat for the attendance.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this request for quotation. This day, October 8, 2024, for the following RFQ numbers: MSX 324-09-0205, FS 13-24-09-0206, FS Roman numeral 13-24-09-0207, FX 13-24-09-0208, EDM 13-24-09-0209, EDM 13-24-09-0210, EDM 13-24-09-0211, and BAP 13-24-09-0212, BAP 13-24-09-0213, MS 13-24-09-0214, and EDM 13-24-09-0215, EDM 13-24-09-216, EDM 13-24-09-0217, EDM 13-24-09-0218, EDM 13-24-09-0219. And here's the attendance. Please say present when your name is called. Pompeo D. Atilio, TWG Head. Dimilin M. Castrense, BAC Vice Chair. Juliville N. Reyes, TWG Member. Myron Picadwan, yours truly. Edward M. Tenyu, BAC Member. Roth Itinio, BAC Secretariat Member. Intignano si Armindares, BAC Chair.
Present.
Mary Antoinette D. Arcos, BAC Secretariat Member. Jovi Erkeban, TWG Member. Jason S. Lancin, TWG Member. Maria Angeli G. Plaza, BAC Secretariat Member. Ray Ocaridis, TWG Member. Mr. Chair, majority of the BAC members are present.
Thank you, Ma'am. So we are in quorum. So, I request the TWG. So, you are authorized to open the RFQs provided for RFQs at least 3 suppliers who have submitted the quotations. So, any of the quotations or suppliers is done 3 will not be open. Kaya nahandaan para magsalita. Industrial.
Okay, for him is 13-24-09-025. So we have the supplier, Cylinder Industrial Sales Corporation, GCLYS Hardware and Industrial Tools Incorporated, Brother Part Supplies Oil Cell Trading. So we have here the Louis Bigger Cylinder Industrial Sales Corporation. For the next IFS 13-24-09-0206. We have three suppliers, Marks Office School Supplies Trading, Started Computer Sales Center, Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated. So we have the lowest bidder 192 to 190,240, which is Marks Office School Supplies Trading. So for the third supplies F is 13-24-09-0207. We have Marks Office School Supplies Trading 119,800. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 131,910. Starting Computer Sales Center 135,595. So we have the lowest bidder, Marks Office School Supplies Trading 119,800. So for FS FS 13-24-09-08. So we have Bird, Joe Marks, Office School Supplies Trading, 248,840. Starting Computer Sales Center, we have 261,200. Starbright Office, Depot Incorporated, 268,500. So we have the lowest bidder, Jumarks Office School Supplies Trading, 248,840. So we have heard the next EDMX EDM 13-24-09-0209. So we have heard Jumarks Office School Supplies Trading, 63,510. Started Computer Sales Center, 92,700. Starbright Office Depot Incorporated, we have 93,600. So the lowest bidder, Jumar School Supplies Trading, which is 63,510. So for the EDM 13-24-09-02, then Jumarks School Supplies Trading, 100,500. Starting Computer Sales Center, 105,008. Starbright Office Depot Incorporated, 133,500. So we have the lowest bidder, Jumarks Office School Supplies Trading, 100,500. The ABC for EDM 13-24-09 is 22,000 or 22,590. So above BBC na? So fill your above BBC was at 63.
Trash bins.
Mas barato na ba na doon na presyo?
2,150 ang unit price.
So for EDM 13-24-09-0209, fill your bidding because above BBC, the three suppliers are above BBC. And also for EDM 13-24-09-0210.
Ang init.
From 25 to 63,
Ito sa editing 13-24-09-14, 22,590 ang ABC, and then 100,105, 133. So, I think an hour is more than 500, almost 500% an increase, or 400% plus an increase. So, siguro mangita ka puro anak na magkanvas na sa lain na pag magkwanta i-advertise na sa lain na po siguro na mga video.
budget and emergency seating size 2,500 each. It's like 30 units.
30 units. Masih sana ko ito ibisi. Ala lagi sana sa. Ini lagi.
Ipadas na sa plato doon ibisira. Sinasada na ganito ako. Sinusuwan pa daw ang plato. Hindi ka doon. Masya ako lagi.
Actually, bisa na yung battery ng double ear gamit. Kaya in-chaser, isa kapaisan ng 300 kami. Lang abot mo 20,000 di ba din rin ka ko.
Ang pinaka to sa beno. Exception of
Jokes. Barato na sa akin ko palit. Barato na sa akin ko palit.
Siguro for review sa admin nila. Apa siya for review. Bisa may asan sila nagikan. Kita ko anak sa anak. Yung sa wala na paghigo. Abang dismil okay na biro ka lang. Sobrang dispresent. Actually, na classmate na anang roller type, dinalit ko sa tanda, nagdala ko diri almost 3,000. Almost 3,000.
Yung galing mga pero kung sabihin niyo na
Masih kalau yung classmate niyo, basta anak ko, nagdala ng classmate, almost 3,000 gikas sa tanda So, iwan niyo sa inyong fan ang ibig na iwan sa inducer na ina-review and then magkanta sila ng mga kami na
Tapos na yung konti.
okay, para ko na niya. Sino nagka-trust mo yun?
Arsiyan ko kaya si Arsiyan. So, 100 kami 5 million, para 100 liters.
So, ano later, ito ka sa baril.
Oh, diyan pa rin. Kami 5 million. Ito ako na 50 liters, ako siguro ganito.
Tapos ito ba ka, di ba po?
Apit mag-Chris million. Pero roller tayo, pero pwede mo yung biguyan na roller.
Okay.
So, proceeding.
So we come now to ATM 13. 13-24-09-0211. So we have Joe Marks Office School Supplies Trading 160,000. Startec Computer Sales Center 168,000. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 172,000. So the ABC is 160,000 and the lowest bidder is Joe Marks Office School Supplies 160,000. So next, VAC 13-24-09-0212, we have Joe Marks Office School Supplies Trading, Startec Computer Sales Center, Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated. So the ABC is 209,278,000. 209,278. So we have the lowest bidder, Joe Marks, 209,245. Oh, okay. This time it is. So the next is back 13-24-09-0213. Joe Marks Office for Supplies Trading. The ABC is 150,628. Joe Marks 150,621. Starting Computer Sales Center 150,650. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 106,700. So the lowest bidder is Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 106,700. So 106,000.
Jumar.
Star Bright is 106,700.
Ayo.
So the ABC is 150. 106.
Star Bright.
Incomplete. This is the dapat. The failure of the balance is the next MX13-24-09-0241, no suppliers. Next at EDM 13-24-09-0215, we have the IBC 130,000, Joe Marks Office Supplies, Office Supplies Trading 130,000, Starting Computer Sales Center 132,000. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 134. So the lowest bidder is Joe Marks Office Supplies Trading. The next EDM 13-24-09-0216. The ABC is 14,638. So we have here the Joe Marks Office Supplies Trading 14,630. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 14,700. Starting Computer Sales Center 14,800. So the lowest bidder is Joe Marks 14,630. So we have the next EDM 13-04-09-0217. We have the ABC 5,880. Joe Marks Supplies Trading 15,450. The next supplier, Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 15,720. Starting Computer Sales Center 15,900. So the lowest bidder is Joe Marks 15,450. So the next is EDM 13-04-09-0218. We have ABC 9,755. Joe Marks Office School Supplies Trading 9,755. Star Bright Office Depot Incorporated 10,917. Starting Computer Sales Center 10,955. So we have the lowest bidder, Joe Marks Office School Supplies Trading. And the last one is EDM 13-04-09-0219. We have the ABC 80,000. And Joe Marks Office School Supplies Office School Supplies Trading 18,000. Start date of Local Cell Center 19,000 and start price of Depot Incorporated 20,000. So we have here the lowest bidder, Joe Marks, Office for Supplies Trading 18,000. Yeah. Any questions?
So actually, for the provision for those RFQs that we have no petition received, so this will be extended for 3 times until we have received 3 quotations. So if after the extension of quotation deadline opening, so still we have not received 3 or more than 3, so we will declare a failure of bidding, and then the re-advertisement is shall be done. So any comments from the back members in the Policy Secretariat regarding the opening of quotations? If there is none, we are adjourned. Pakitanong